Hey everyone, welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a new way that I have come up with to clean my makeup brushes. So you would have seen a few videos ago a different way that I was cleaning my brushes. However, it's become a bit too expensive with how much brush cleanser I am going through because I do have a decent collection of makeup brushes. So I decided to try and find a cheaper way, and what I did here was I melted some bars of soap. So they aren't the same brand. I just had these three in my cupboards, so I decided to try it out. So I've got some Dove, some CeraVe soap, and also some Dermaveen soap in this as well. I found the CeraVe soap to be the best one, and I think the best way to go is by popping it in the microwave, but I showed you all the clips of me on using it on the stove, boiling it in glasses and just boiling it directly on the stove as well. So I put it to the test. I've popped it in this little container, and I'm finding it so much easier to clean my brushes doing this way. So all I did was melted the soap, popped it in a container, and then just went to town cleaning my brushes. I found the roughness of the soap on the top where I didn't smooth it down properly actually worked in my favour because it was able to give the brushes a nice scrub. So you can see that's what I'm doing here, just giving it a nice scrub. And I had black and dark brown eyeshadows on this brush, and normally it would stain because the brush is white. But the soap works perfectly. In fact, I think it actually works better than the brush cleanser that I previously was using, which was costing an arm and a leg. So one bottle of the cleanser would do my brushes one time, and that's it. Lastly, I also picked up these little wrap things to pop on my brushes just to keep my brushes intact and stop it from being so furry. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!